Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. There is one particular ritual of 21 days in which you have to do number of things. It is a certain kind of exercises which you have to perform for regular 21 days. Also, there are many things which I'll be adding in this 21 days ritual, including your food, and there are certain restrictions. So it is not possible to share all those things in just one video. So in this particular video, I am sharing what all exercises you will be practicing during those 21 days. So in this video, you can look at the exercises what I have shared. So majorly it is focused on your lower back. Movement of your body, physical body, is really important when you are actually looking to heal yourself fully, because there are people, see what happened, people want to activate their 7 chakras, and that is not possible if your body is not in movement, because the era we are living in, we have different kind of lifestyle, not we cannot compare it, ancient times. So that time there were yogis and other people who used to do it, but then everybody has been into performing exercises. So make sure, if you are interested in healing, cleansing and activating your chakras, whether it's 7 chakra or other chakras, you have to practice certain kinds of exercises. And chakra healing activation is must for twin flames, because twin flame is born with lot of divine powers, as they are divine beings having human experience. So whether you remember or not, but then when you start practicing these 21 days ritual, you will realize lot of things. You might also experience things which you have not experienced till date. Body movement along with other spiritual practices actually speed up your cleansing of chakras. Now understand, there may be a lot of twin flames who are listening or will listen in future. So what happened, see, if you've gone through awakening, you've already gone through a lot of pain, trauma, betrayal, because of which you might not be in that condition or situation where you can bend your back. But then understand, you don't have to force these things, because first you have to take care of your physical body so that you get ready to perform all these kind of exercises. So there are a lot of twin flames who have not been practicing physical exercises, not even yoga or gymming or any other activity through which they can be into movement. So understand, slowly, gradually you have to keep on increasing these. So if you are a beginner for the first time, if you are practicing, begin with maybe for a few minutes or a few seconds, and then increase it gradually. So there are main 7 chakras which you have to focus. So when we talk about lower chakra, so root chakra and sacral chakra, which is connected to your lower part of the body. So it is connected with n number of things, not just fear or insecurity, and there's also your inner child healing which you have to do, which is connected to your sacral chakra. So there are certain things, number of things I would say, which you cannot escape. You cannot avoid any of them, whether it is about having rules and regulations with your food, eating items, with your exercises. See, you can perform n number of exercises, but what I have shared, that is must. So there are people who say they cannot cook because they do not know how to cook. So if you wish to perform these 21 days ritual, you have to learn cooking. One important advice for twin flames: if you have decided to perform these 21 days ritual, I suggest only perform when you have a healthy body. There are people going through a lot of sickness and lot of health issues. Then in that case, do not perform this ritual, because you will experience intense kinds of emotions, and your body will also experience certain kind of energy, which might restrict you in many ways for certain days. So this again depends on an individual level. So it's a humble request, only perform when your body allows. And if in case you're not in that situation, when your body is not allowing you because of any physical health issues, then first focus on healing those health issues, and then only begin with this ritual. So the number of exercises what I have shared in this video, you have to perform it at your home and not in the gym. You remember that, because when you go to gym, there are certain kinds of tools which you are using for exercising, and that has energies of other people. So you are performing this ritual for energy healing, and I want you to stay with your energy, not with others' energy. Time you can spend 15-20 minutes, half an hour, or max 45 minutes. 45 minutes I would not suggest, because there are n number of things what I will be adding in this 21 days ritual, for which you will have to spend a lot of time. So let me share those all things which are part of this 21 days ritual, and once I'm done with this, then you can make note of all these things, what you have to follow and what you have to avoid during this 21 days ritual, and then accordingly you begin with that. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay connected to divine.